Hello everyone, today we are gonna talk about how to filter data from our database or models using more than one parameter. So in the last tutorial we spoke about how we can filter data from our model using parameter that we send through our URL. Okay, so what if we need to filter by more than or using more than one parameter? Okay, how to do that? So first thing first, if we go to our views.py, we can see that we managed to get the parameter through the quarks, and then we managed to read the parameter and use it to filter by car brand. Okay, so if we run the server now, new terminal, let's activate our virtual environment. We navigate to our virtual environment folder, scripts, activate. I just want to run the server and do a GET request to the URL that we used last tutorial, so you all guys be on the same page. Let's run the server, or let's navigate to our folder first. Okay, then on the server. If we go now to the browser, and if we run, as you see here, we send a GET request by writing here or giving a PMW as a parameter. We get back the objects or the data that's where the brand is PMW. Okay, because if we don't send the parameter and we perform a GET request to this URL, we get all the data that we had or we stored in our model or database. Okay, so we needed BMW. Okay, so we write here BMW, and then we get only the BMW cars. Okay, what if I need to go forward and filter using the brand and the model? Okay, I don't want to get all the BMW cars. I want to get the BMW cars, plus from the BMW cars I want to get the 740i model. So how can we do that? Okay, let's head back to views.py. So here we need to read, okay, more parameters that come from our URL. So I want to be able to add something like this here. For example, PMW, okay, dash. What's the model? BMW 400 or 740i. Okay. I want to be able to do that. Okay, and if I hit enter, or if I do a GET request to this URL, it must give me back this object only. Okay, so it's gonna be the same strategy that we used to deal with one parameter, but we need to split, okay, what we have here into two parameters and then filter the model. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Before we go to filtering, I just want to say something about what we have here. Okay, you see here, for example, we have a space between BMW and 740i. Okay, because this is how we stored the model in our, or the car model in our data model. So in the URLs, we're not allowed to use space. Okay, all the URL must be coded as an ASCII code. Okay, so in order to perform or to tell the server that this is a space, we need to use an ASCII code that represents the space, and that code is the %sign 20. Okay, so this represents a space. So if I hit enter to perform a GET request to our API, I get nothing. Okay, but if I look here on the server side, what can I see? I can see that I received a parameter. The parameter is BMW-BMW 740i. So how can we use this to filter? We need to come here and split this parameter. How we can do that? Okay, let's use a variable called params list. Okay, equal, and this is gonna split the parameters, the parameter that we receive. Splitting it, I mean, we use dash as a separator between the two parameters. Okay, so we need to tell, we need to split this into BMW and BMW 740i. Okay, so how we achieve that? We do this. We do parameters or params and we use the key pk, which is the whole parameter or what we received from the URL dot split, and we need to split using the dash sign. Okay, what this will do is will give me back a list, okay, of two we can say items or two values. The first value will be BMW, the second value will be BMW 740i. Okay, now I can use the params list to filter here. Okay, so how we do that? Let's remove params pk, and then we use params list 0, which is the first BMW, okay, the first value of the list, and then we just put comma. What's the next field that I need to filter? Okay, let's get it from here. So the next field is car model. Okay, I need to use a car model, so I come here, put car model equal params list, and we need to use the second value. Okay, so you know that list index start indexing from 0, so this 0 is the first value of the list, this is the second value of the list. Okay, let's save that and let's try it now. Okay, so if I come here, BMW dash BMW, we use the space as %20, and it's 740i. Okay, if I hit enter now, what I get only the 740i model. Okay, so in this case we filtered by car brand and model. Okay, so this is we achieved the filtering using 2 parameters. Can we do that using 3 parameters? Well, obviously we can do that using the same strategy as well. Okay, we need to read, for example, let's say we need to use a production year. Okay, we can also add here dash 2019, for example. Okay, this is the production year, and we go to our views.py. Okay, so our params list will include the brand, the model, and the production year. Okay, what we need to do after that is add a comma here, add production year, okay, equal params list with the key 2, so to get the third value of the list. Okay, I want you guys to try that and see if it works. And if you have any question, leave it down in the comments. And if you have any problems, just report, guys, and I'll be there to reply to your comments and help. Okay, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you for your time.